This is not just another compact SUV. This is the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan. Bold design, upgraded tech, and a driving experience that might just surprise you. So, is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Volkswagen went all in on the redesign. You've got a wider grille, sleeker LED matrix headlights, and an aerodynamic profile that gives the new Tiguan a sportier, more premium stance. Around back, a full-width light bar and a roof spoiler give it that modern European edge. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've jumped a price class. A massive 15-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, paired with a crisp digital cockpit. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and available massage seats, yes, massage seats, bring luxury to the compact SUV segment. Under the hood, the US version will offer a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, possibly paired with a mild hybrid system delivering around 265 horsepower. On the road, it feels more planted, quieter, and quicker than before. The dual-clutch DSG transmission is smooth and responsive, especially in sport mode. Tiguan 2025 is loaded with tech. From over-the-air updates to Volkswagen's new voice assistant, powered by ChatGPT. Yes, really, this SUV is as smart as it is stylish. Add in adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and a 360-degree camera system, and you've got serious peace of mind on every drive. Volkswagen has redefined what a compact SUV can be. The 2025 Tiguan brings premium features, great tech, and refined performance, all without breaking the bank. If you're shopping in this segment, this one deserves a test drive. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this first look, and subscribe for more weekly reviews on the latest cars hitting the road. See you in the next one.